Yo! Starting off the day with a terrible order. This is going to be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour. And we've got a McDonald's going across the river 8 miles. I can already think of at least 4 other locations that are closer to them. So why are we ordering from over here? Could not tell you.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you. Total for that one was $11 and change. Just got the next orders. Got a stacked Starbucks. This one is $10 going 5 miles.
Good morning, welcome to Starbucks. We'll be sorry for you.
And
Hello.
here's the first one. And then we're still wrapping up Tony.
Gotcha.
Both of them have a lot of balance.
Thank you.
Alright, we'll be right back.
Hi.
Hello.
This little slip was supposed to go into Serena's bag. I can slip that in there, or if you would be able to.
Yeah.
And then here is Tony. I appreciate your patience.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Okay, these are both going like 0.1 mile, but they look like they're going to be really difficult drop-offs. Hello. What's the name on it?
Tony.
Tony? Yeah.
Tony or Bill.
Perfect.
Yeah, some drinks.
Thank you. Okay, those two drop-offs were right across the street from each other, like right there and right here. But I didn't know that, so I kind of missed the turn for this one. Had to make a little loop-de-loop. Anyways, let's keep it moving. Got another order down here. This is a McDonald's. I think it said it was $8 going like 2.5 miles, something like that. Thank you. Yep, have a good day. All right, shout out to them for coming outside because there was no parking and they wanted to meet me at the door. All right, next up is a stack. I'm hoping it's going to the same person. We've got a 7-Eleven pickup and I think there's a shop and deliver for Safeway. It's only one item though, so not terrible. This is $15 and change, going about 6 miles. Probably the worst items to have ordered before I have to go shopping. Got a hot pizza and some cold ice cream. So it's a scary elevator. Very ominous. Hi. Anyways, got the next orders. We've got a Starbucks and Go Puff, which I believe is alcohol. It's gonna be 2 different customers. I already forgot the details because I was kind of trying to figure out how to get here, but I'll throw them up for you guys.
Thanks.
Hello. It's gonna be. Oh, I don't have a name actually. Do you need the number?
Oh, I believe it's this one. Does it give you a bin number by any chance?
Bin number 2?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just want to make sure. There you go.
Thank you.
Are you DoorDash?
Yes.
Okay. It might ask you to scan it.
Okay.
If not, you're able to go.
It's not letting me scan it.
This is Marissa, a virtual agent from DoorDash support. This call is recorded for training and quality purposes. I see you have more than one order. Could you tell me which order I can help you with today? Got it. What issue are you running into at GoPuff right now? I just checked DoorDash status and all of our systems are working fine. Are you using an iPhone or Android? Please try force closing and reopening the Dasher app by going to your phone settings. Then app, find Dasher, tap force stop, then open the app again. Did the barcode scan work after that? Please adjust your phone camera so the entire barcode fits clearly in the frame and there's no glare. Does it scan now?
No.
If you're on the other line, then I'll be holding the call for 1 minute.
Okay.
Thank you.
So this is a giant apartment complex, and I messaged them like 5 minutes before I arrived if there was an apartment number. Nothing. So we're leaving it at the front door. Like, look at this. Man, my car still smells like 7-Eleven cheese pizza. It's bad. Also, that stack was $13 going like 5 miles. Lots of hiccups with the GoPuff. And they tipped really well, so I don't know. I'm over it. We're done with it. Let's move on with our lives. So refreshing being back into my zone, and the first order that I get was a Seize the Bagel, $6 going 13 miles. Next up, got a Starbucks. This one's going 3 miles.
Okay, here's the DoorDash. About that way.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one, DJ.
You too. Total for that one was $8. That was a good one. And got this right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $13 going 5 miles. 4 items? Or is it 5? Why are we adding items? Stop adding items. Probably not getting full pay on that one because I substituted the hand sanitizer. They only had one of the small ones when they wanted 2 for a bigger size. Also, I forgot to mention, they spent like $24 on like 8 beef jerky sticks. Tell me that's not crazy. And just got the next order. This is a Seize the Bagel. This one's $9 going just under 5 miles. Heading right back to Seize the Bagel. This one's $10 going 6.5 miles. Still on my way to the restaurant, and they're giving me an add-on. $6 going an extra mile. Yeah, might as well. Got this right away. It is a Black Rock coffee, $6 going just under 2 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. And on that note, I think I'm gonna call it there. Current time is 9:48. Current total, at least 75. I think I'm waiting on Uber tips. No, I definitely am waiting on Uber tips. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.